Hello everyone. My name is Wing. Today I'm going to do the demonstration for tabular data annotation with MTab system. This is the collaboration work with Ikyu Yamada, Natsuki Kachon, Ryutaro Ichisa, and Hideki Takeda. First of all, I'm going to show you how to do the annotation with MTab system. You can access MTab at mtab.app, and here this is the table annotation function. User can copy the table content from spreadsheet like Excel or CSV or TSV, or you can copy directly from the website, or you can upload the table files into the system, and then MTab will return the annotation for you. But it is noted that for the uploading file, our system just handle 100 table one time for efficiency issue. Let's go with example here. We already have table contents marked to the text box. Now click to annotate button, and then you have the annotation results. This is the structure annotation. You have this table headers in the row 0 and the core attributes in the first columns. And this is the entity annotation result. When you click that in this, so it will link you to Wikidata entity. And it's the same for property annotation, which is the annotate the relation between the core attributes and others and columns. The meaning of this column is somehow related to radio policy. And the type annotation is also linked to one type of Wikidata, and this column is mentioned something related to star. Let's try annotate web tables. So first I will go to find hospitals in California, maybe. So I have a website here, which is the hospital in California. So basically, user just copies the content of table. So maybe just copy a few row of the table to save time, and passes to the text box here and click annotate. Then we have the answer. So it's fine that the core attribute in the first columns, and these columns related to the hospital type, and this column related to human settlements. Okay, let's try with the hospital in Tokyo. Let's try to find the hospital in Japanese. We will find hospital arranged in prefectures. So let's try Tokyo. Okay, this is the table about hospital in Tokyo. So we can copy a few rows and then paste it to the text box here. And then we got the annotation. It's recognized that the column second, the core attributes, and there's something mentioned about the hospital. And this is a number of hospitals beds. So for those who do not understand Japanese, so now they can understand the table of content. Let's see how MTab do the annotation for multiple tables. So we will try the same tab, 2020 dataset route 2. So let's go to the upload tables. Now I already took the table files into a compressed file. So basically this is the structure of the table. This is all the table in route 2. And this is the target of marching. So we can upload the compressed file. Okay, after 32 seconds, we got the annotation for the first 100 table in the route 2 dataset. And this is the annotation results. And it's and the last one more thing, we also provide anti-t-shirt, which provide a first t-shirt can deal with high level of noise. In this anti-t-shirt, it can support with a first t-shirt of up to 680 distance. So at the result, it can deal with high level of noisiness. For example, this query, basically when you search it on Google, you cannot find any relevant entities. And also the same when you search it with Wikidata, you also cannot find the answer, I think. But you can find it using MTab system. It's quite really fast and efficient. So it can help you to generate the entity candidate